Hi, welcome back to Quadmum Supreksha. This is Supreksha. At this point of my life, I realized one thing: ignorance can be the biggest downer in our lives. If we talk about motherhood, nobody ever tells you what happens at the other side. Nobody gives you every bit of its detail. From the traumatic bodily experience, sleepless nights, changing innumerable diapers, teaching them, being unbiased referee among your children, listening to their half-wit stories, to taking care of their self-esteem. And it's relentless work 24/7. Every woman should be told about the flip side of the motherhood, and then can she go ahead and make this life-changing decision for herself. I sometimes wonder, if we knew every detail of motherhood, would we still go ahead and become a mother? I do feel guilty when I go crazy sometimes, but I don't get bogged down. I choose to rise up and try again. I accept all of me, and so should you. And now that your children are here, accept them too. But don't forget to take a time out. Don't wait for yourself to be burnt out and then take time out. Do it soon after your body feels better, after delivering your baby, that is, maybe after a month or two. If you are someone who likes outdoors and meeting people, you definitely have to start taking breaks sooner. And I do understand it's easier said than done, because if you don't have help or more people in your home, the timeouts can be a dream. But even then, try figuring it out with your spouse at least, and do take that damn break. You deserve it and you need it.
So I actually had come to see certain things for my children, but then I started seeing something else. Mainly the crockery items, and it is so beautiful. It's a huge market, and I cannot get around in all the shops, I think so. So I'll just pick up something. Look at this shop. I don't think my children can eat on this kind of board. It's really heavy and it can break. So, but I like this. I want to paint. I don't know what to do. So I bought this cake. I think it's nice. It's a little bit empty, so that's why I removed my mask. Just imagine so much crowd. They must be like me, so I can't even complain. If you do, it's alright. If others do, it's like, oh, why they're doing? Can't say like that, no. Can't have double standards. When you're having a double standard, please check on yourself. So we are all the same, actually. I don't know how long that person is going to take. It's a beautiful place, but it has lots of trees. See, lots of trees. Only Sumsan Khalke. I think this is Dover's Lane. Sumsan, lots of greens. And when you go outside from here, there's a lot of noise coming from there. So I don't know what's wrong with that. I think there's only one ATM around here or what. Dada, aata hai ATM ko khai? Batao kotha. Mastu mato frozen khale bani. I don't know what are you doing for so long. I didn't bring my headphone, I didn't bring my microphone. I don't know if it is audible. I still have to buy toys. So I saw one shop, but it wasn't that good. It wasn't that great. Okay, so don't judge me, but I am going to eat this mango chutney or whatever they're going to make. I don't know where my makeup went. Oh, it's still there. Lipstick, it's gone. All gone. It's making me so heavy. So can you see? Next time I'm not going to carry all this. And no, actually it had been raining. It had been raining for the past so many days during this time, afternoon and all. So that's why also I could not come out. But today it wasn't like that. So, but anyways, I carried this big, huge umbrella just in case. Oh, I'm feeling so good. It's evening time and I still have to buy some new stuff. I just asked him, I think so. But yeah, वो आइसक्रीम का केले तो खाता है. I can think this through. अच्छा, he has some toothpick. It's a pretty good light out there. Oh, look at that light. It's light for your video. It's white and I'm doing this now. नहीं खाना है हमको. I'm going to show you something. One of the most amazing thing that I've ever seen. I've always thought of clicking photo of that particular thing, but I've never gone around and took photographs. But I'm going to take photos. I find this one amazing. This is in the middle of the street. Look at the chaos. Hear the sound. Oh my god. And where am I standing? Standing here. So I am going to click this photo anyhow today. And it's amazing how people can use their concentration and brain to play in the middle of chaosness, in the middle of busyness. That's why it's strange. And I've always wanted to take picture of this. And people with great photography skills, I think they can make a good story out of this one. It's a very fruitful day. I loved it. And I have I'm actually very scared of crossing big roads. So what I do is I tag along with some people there. Is anybody going to cross? Okay, yeah. I'm going to tag along with this person. See? I'm going to tag along. Tag along, tag along. Thank you, strangers. I'm going to get myself an auto. This handle, right? Go on with the lights. What can we do? Okay, here we go. Finally, I get to sit after 7 hours. I can't even see. Okay. And there are a lot of homeless people out there. They live under this bridge. Just under this Guriyat Bridge. So they live under this, and there are a lot of homeless people. So if you want to help them with clothes or anything, you can come and then you will find lots of people like that. And I used to do when I was not married, and when I didn't have children of my own at that point of time. I had lots of time, obviously. So I used to come here and then give clothes out here, but now I don't have time. But if anybody wants to give away their clothes or something like that, you can come here under the bridge. There are a lot of homeless people out here. After one good year, it feels